Welcome back to our channel. We have this young man that has a problem with his knee. So when did it start?
Maybe 12 years.
12 years ago. Has it been worse lately, re-aggravated, hurting again?
Yeah.
And where does it hurt? In the back? On the front? In the back. How did you hurt it 12 years ago? Yeah, I see. This one is much bigger also, like and swollen. Okay.
Play basketball.
Ah, basketball.
Yeah.
You know what we call basketball? It's a wonderful game, but we call it chiropractic job security. Okay, I'm going to do some stability tests to check. Yeah, that's pretty spongy. Pain, sakit?
Sakit.
In here? No?
No.
Right there, huh?
It's bigger than.
Yeah, it's much bigger.
Yeah.
A lot of swelling over time. Okay, I'm also going to check your back and your pelvis to see if there might be a rotation of your pelvis that's causing a rotation of your thigh bone, which can cause this irritation in the middle of your knee, which may have happened during the basketball game. Sakit? Or no?
Sakit.
Sakit.
Sakit. Sakit.
I'm going to learn how to pronounce these words. Yeah, right there also. You've got a double problem in your lower back. The pelvic joint and what is known as your fourth lumbar. Well, these vertebrae feeling pretty good. And you have a problem here too.
Yeah, because in motorcycle accident also this side.
In your shoulder.
Yeah.
So you have a restriction, fixation at the bottom of your neck. And I think that's directly due to this irritation here. Well, this one definitely feels looser. So first thing, I'm going to have you sit here facing this way. Perfect. Down. I want you to inhale, lean back in my hand, and exhale. Okay, not much happened there. Let me work on your lower back and pelvis. I'm going to have you lie on this side facing toward me. There you go. Turn me a little and try to lift your legs, relax. Good, now go ahead and sit up. Sit up. Go ahead and turn your legs this way, and then lie on this side. And straighten your leg out, straight. Go. And relax. Good. Go ahead and sit up again. Sit up. Stand up. And then Hayang, run your back here. Attaboy. good. That was your femur, your thigh bone. Reseat your patella. Adjust your talus bone, your ankle. There, the top. Okay, I ordered some tape just 2 days ago, and it's supposed to be on its way, but that's what I would need to really help this. So in a few days, I will treat you again. Another one. When you get up, turn on your side first. There you go. Anytime, there you go. And then push yourself up. And sit up. Go ahead and sit up now. There you go. Stand up and see how that feels in your knee. Now let me double check your neck. Take me a moment. This is the icing on the cake.
Karena balik basket.
Let's bring your hands and just let them relax in your lap. Nice. What do you think about that?
That's what
Better
I
than a
make
good joke.
Only professional can do this.
That's right. Don't do this at home. Don't try this at home. There. That's good. Oh yeah. See how that feels.
Yeah, it's better.
Better. One of my favorite words. Superior to that is much better, and even superior to that is all better. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the little bell icon so you get notifications of our future videos.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.